The cashew has a fascinating secret. Its nut grows outside the fruit, hanging beneath the colorful cashew apple. The journey begins with delicate flowers appearing in clusters across the branches. After flowering, tiny cashew apples begin forming, with the developing nut hanging beneath each fruit. As the season progresses, both the colorful fruit and its protective nut continue to grow. As the cashew apples ripen, their colors change into beautiful shades of red, orange, and gold. When the fruits reach full maturity, the orchard becomes filled with a colorful and valuable harvest.
After harvesting, the cashew apples are separated from the raw nuts, which are then carefully processed. From a tiny flower to the creamy cashew kernel, this unusual crop has one of nature's most fascinating journeys.